Biden. We know Brazil's president sent you a letter asking for help to defend the Amazon. The letter is a lie, Mr. Biden.
In the last 2 years, the Amazon deforestation has worsened like never before. We lost families. We lost shelter. And we lost hope. Bolsonaro is killing us, Mr. Biden.
We heard he wants $1 billion to save the Amazon, but he had this money coming in from Norway and Germany, and he threw it away, Mr. Biden.
Bolsonaro said he will work with indigenous people to protect the Amazon. Another lie, Mr. Biden. He despises indigenous people.
Ele não fala nossa língua, não tem dinheiro. É pobre coitado.
Last but not least, Bolsonaro's environment minister, the one person in charge of protecting us, has been using the pandemic to bulldoze our environmental legislation. He literally said that.
Quanto estamos nesse momento de tranquilidade no aspecto de cobertura de imprensa, porque só fala de Covid, e ir passando a boiada, e mudando todo o regramento.
When you were running for president, your dog, Champ, sent the US a message. Choose your humans wisely. Now it is our turn to say it to you, Mr. Biden. Choose your humans wisely.